what is the strategy once the policy is fully funded? Are you planning on dumping in a bunch of money and then borrowing it out immediately to go do a move? Okay, what does that look like? Let's run the numbers on the interest costs, right? What is the strategy while you are funding the policy? Think about these different things before you just go and put a policy in place, right? And these are other products and services. Think of stacking on top of the policy as you grow with the policy. So health savings account, annuity, long-term care, disability, Roth, real estate, estate planning, legacy, wills and trusts, great things. This just talks about the industry of how most agents design policies. And again, the lower the base premium is, the lower the commission will be for the agent. The higher the base premium is, the higher the agent's commission will be. So that automatically provides an incentive for the agent to provide a higher base premium, which would result in a lower cash value starting for you. So if you're someone that says, hey, I want to have as much cash value as possible in the first couple of years, then you probably don't want a policy that has 40-50% of your money going to base premium. But if you're someone that's like, hey, I would like more death benefit, but also high cash value, maybe there's an in-between, like a 25-75 split or 20-80 split, right? Where out of 50 grand, only 15 to 25% is going to the base, and then the rest to cash, because you want a higher death benefit, or you want to fund for a longer period of time. All things to keep in mind. This is just a personal opinion of mine. Anytime you're talking to the agent and they're designing a base premium that's over 40% of your dollars, so if you're putting in 100 grand and they put $60,000 towards the base premium, that means day one, you're gonna have less than $40,000 available in cash value. I don't know if that's advantageous for the person that even has the 100 grand to begin with. I really don't think they are willing to part with 60% of their liquidity for the hopes and potential that 20 years from now, there's gonna be more money available. I really don't think that happens. Most people I've worked with that have that kind of money, 100 grand and up, to fund a policy multiple years, they want as much of that 100 grand as possible in the beginning years because they plan on doing so much more with it. This is another document that just goes over the infinite banking marketing terms so that you don't get confused, right? To understand that if you hear any of these words, that's just marketing. It's just a marketing term, or it's a branded term, it's a trademarked term. The actual product itself, it's gonna be a whole life. An L100, L95, a 10 pay, 20 pay, 30 pay, right? And these are typically the companies that most agents will use. Mass, Guardian, Penn, Lafayette, One America are like the most popular companies that is used to design high cash value life insurance policies, right? So again, these are the marketing terms: sacred account, your own family bank, dynamic banking, cash flow, tax-free banking, private banking, become your own banker, infinite banking, bank on yourself, right? Master account, investment grade insurance contract, right? These are just marketing terms. Don't get confused. That's just how they hype you up. It's really gonna boil down to these boring words right here: L100, whole life, right? That's about it. Here are the infinite banking players. This list, I need to add some people on here, but these are some of the names you'll most likely come across. You got Stephen Gardner, you've got Chris Crone, VIP Financial Education. This is in no particular order. You got the Kwok brothers, right? Seven Figure Squad, Matt Zapala, Kwok brothers, Sam, Daniel Kwok, VIP Financial Education, Matthew Pillmore. You've got Wealth Nation, Carmen and Darius, Garrett Gunderson, Doug Andrew, myself, Chris Kirkpatrick, right? That's Life 180. You got IBC Global, that's Steve Parisi, right? The Money Advantage, Curtis Ray, Nelson Nash Institute, Oregon Cash Flow Pro, James Nethery, Banking Truths, Caleb, Jerry, Kim Butler, and there's more, okay? And then here are the books. There's some really cool books out there on this concept that will really give you a really good framework. All right, so you got Become Your Own Banker. That's like the OG book to probably start with. You got Building Your Warehouse of Wealth, The And Asset by Caleb, Money, Wealth, Life Insurance, The Case for IBC, What Would the Rockefellers Do? That's Garrett Gunderson. Killing Sacred Cows, also Garrett Gunderson, Live Your Life Insurance. Okay, real quick, you want those two documents, happy to send it to you. Just email me directly, and no cost to that.